Hello students, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a very simple boat. All right, all you need is a piece of cardboard, a pen, little tape, and some scissors. All right, and again, this is just the basis for how you're going to make your boat in class. All right, first I'm going to draw the basic shape in the middle of the cardboard here. Super simple, nothing pretty. Just like that. Okay. And you'll notice that I left a lot of room on the sides. Okay. I'm going to keep that room because those parts are going to be the walls of the boat. Okay. So I'm going to cut around it. Very basic terms. Okay. And then everywhere there's a corner, I have to make a cut. Okay, oops, I don't need that either. And what I mean by that is because we're going to fold this along the lines, I'll need to make a cut. You'll see. All right, so this first bottom line, I'm going to fold it. Let me see. Oh, I might need a ruler too, or some kind of square. Okay, I'm going to crease it. That's funny, this boat says make everywhere. Just like that, okay? And where there's this crease, that's where I'm gonna make a cut. There, and right there. Okay. And I'm gonna do the same thing along all the other lines, okay? So I'm gonna crease it, and I just mean make a fold along that line. Okay, there we go. And then here's another line outside of the boat. I'm going to cut along that and then stop right at the corner. Okay, so there's the cut right there. And what that does is when I fold one and then another, the boat starts to come together, right? And then I can just fold this, and then here's where I make the tape. Where I make the tape joint. Okay. I'll do blue tape so you can see it better. Okay, and that is it. That is one corner of our boat. Okay, I'll make another video where I just repeat the process and speed it all up. Okay, enjoy. This is part 1 of making a boat.